Hello friends, today let's learn a new concept called triangular pattern. This particular pattern is pretty useful if we are going to use this differential patterns to identify a missing term in a series. Let's take an example of these numbers. We have 3, 20, 63, 144, 275 and question mark. So typically when we are trying to find the missing term, our first option is to do a difference. So let's try that. So the first one is 20 minus 3, it is 17. 63 minus 20 is 43. 144 minus 63, which is going to be 81. 275 minus 144, which is going to be 131. And the last one is a question mark. So if you look at it, now these differences has created a new series, which is our first series. Let's keep trying to solve this until we find a uniform set of numbers. In our next series, it's going to be 43 minus 17, which is 26. Next, it's going to be 81 minus 43, which is going to be 38. Last, 131 minus 81, which is 50. And the last number is a missing one. Now if you look at it, this pattern looks more and more closer to our uniform series. So this is our series 2. Let's try to solve this even further. In next round, it's 38 minus 26, which is 12. 50 minus 38, which is again 12. Now if you look at it, in our third series, we have already found that there is a uniform set of numbers that appear. Whenever you reach the uniform set, our next step is to extrapolate this and find the next set of missing numbers. Let's assume that there is going to be 12 in the next one. So what we are going to do is that we are going to add this new set of uniform numbers to the previous batch. So first it is going to be 50 plus 12, which is 62. Next, let's add the 62, the last number from the previous series. 131 plus 62, which is 193. And then when we go even further, it is 275 plus 193. And the answer is 468. And this is our solution. The triangular pattern concept is to keep going with the differences until you form an uniform series. I hope you like the new concept. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification icon for further updates. Thank you.